Alright, just a little update for you guys on the garage. They got the beams put in last week. And cars moved out of here. We're gonna move some stuff around, and then I got to level out this concrete pad area here because it's a 3-inch drop on either side. So we're gonna level this out. Gotta get a company out here to do that. And then we got to cut this water line. We're gonna get it out of the center of the floor. We're gonna put it up against the wall here. That's pretty much it for that. So, and then I got a radio for the GTO. We're gonna put that in. It's just a doubled in radio. And then I got a sway bar, rear sway bar bushings I need to put in my daily driver, so I might take some video of that. Yeah, I think that'll be it.